Hello guys, welcome to this video. In this episode of administrative law, we are going to look at a case law. The case law that we are going to look today is the case of Racal that took place in 1981, AC 374. So let us look at the context of the case. So this case took place in England. Who the people that are involved in the case, or the entities that are involved, are: number one, we have the High Court; two, we have Racal Communications Limited; three, we have the Director of Public Prosecutions. This case took place in 1981. So what was the issue? Why this case? So one of the issues that we had was competency of a superior court to review decisions of another superior court. And also there is another issue whereby we have a claim that Racal Communications had sent fraudulent messages to its customers. So let us look at the case in greater detail. Director of Public Prosecutions made an application to investigate a company's record on the grounds that it had sent fraudulent messages to customers. The High Court judge said that since the section only applied to the internal management of the company, he would not grant the application. The legislation stated that the decision of the High Court was to be final decision on such an application and therefore not capable of appeal. So statutory provisions made the High Court's decision final and no appeal in any other avenue. Nevertheless, the Deputy Director of Public Prosecutions appealed on the Pullman grounds, saying that the judge's misconstruction of the statute was a jurisdictional error of law. A correct construction of section 441 was collateral to making a decision. So HL held that when power to decide a particular question was conferred by statute on a court of law, as distinct from a tribunal of limited jurisdiction, there was no presumption that Parliament did not intend to confer it a power to determine questions of law going to its jurisdiction, as well as questions of fact, and judicial review was not available to correct any error of law made by it. In other words, the statute gave the courts the power to do what the court did. So it cannot be a jurisdictional error because the court acted within its jurisdiction. So hence this appeal by the Director of Public Prosecutions was dismissed. Judicial review is only available against the decisions of lower courts, whereas High Court decisions can only be appealed by application to an appellate court. The case established that High Court cannot review another superior court's decision. Thank you for watching this video. Like, share and subscribe.